Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the screen rotation in your Samsung Galaxy A36. So, the first thing that you need to do is to scroll down here to the control panel, prolong these icons over here, and disable auto rotation. Then tap it again to have it enabled. If you don't see this icon here, tap this pen icon over here, add it, and here in the available buttons find the auto rotate. So once you have toggled it on and off, you should have it working. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to now find the application here in your device, for example compass, or as you can see there is no compass anymore with us. So open the Play Store, tap search, and in the search bar you need to just search for some application like gyroscope test and search. As you can see, I don't have internet connection, but you need to download one and test your gyroscope. Apart from that, you can do the same diagnostics in the Samsung Members application, but I think the separate app will be better for you. But you need to grant, of course, the permissions. So yes, if it still doesn't work for you, you need to now hold the power button and volume down, tap restart and restart. If you have your phone restarted, all the sensors, all the gyroscopes should be restarted and refreshed. Now, after this, we should be fine. If we aren't fine still, you need to, you need to contact the device support because your device is just broken. There is no actually software fix to this. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.